Hey y'all, it's Debbie. I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you. This is a little video that I've got and that was making some vegetables, and I've never used this webcam part of it before, so I just wanted to see what it looked like and do an intro to a video for y'all. So here I am. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Hey y'all, it's Debbie with the Food Prepping Channel, and today I am just prepping some food for the week. I have got so much vegetables, fresh vegetables, that I have bought because I guess I love fresh vegetables. I just absolutely love them, and I'm kind of scared that they're going to go away soon and we're not going to have any more. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with me. But anyway, this is a bag of Brussels sprouts. It's the Kroger brand. It is 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts. And I always, let me show you, even if it's not very much, I always cut the bottom off of them. See, it might not be very much, but I do cut the bottom off of every one of them. And then I cut these in half, and you can see some of them are big, some of them are little. But I've got my oven preheated to 400. I'm going to roast these. I could put these in my air fryer, but I really want to roast them. I just think that Brussels sprouts, I've tried Brussels sprouts in my air fryer, and I really like the roasted taste of them better. And so I'm going to go on, and what I'm going to use on these is I'm going to use the avocado oil, and I'm going to use the Badia Complete. And that's all I'm going to put on here. I've also got 2 pounds of asparagus here that I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in the pan, and then I'll bring you back and we'll do the asparagus. I've already done some broccoli, and boy did I mess up on the broccoli. But anyway, let me go on and put the oil on here. And I just drizzle a little bit on it all over them. Brussels sprouts tend to eat up that oil. I mean, you can't ever get them oily enough or whatever. So I'm going to go on and put probably for this 1.5 pounds, probably a good 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. All right, and now let me get the top off of this before I get my hands all messy. And I just wanted to tell y'all that Dana, this is Monday, and Dana left. Her last day was Friday. Dana got another job making more money, and I can understand that. You always have to go where, the best money is. Sugar, my dog, is going crazy. I don't know whether it's because I said Dana or what. But anyway, and Haley came back. Haley called me. I hadn't had the ad up for not even 15 minutes, and Haley came back, and she's now working for me. So you'll see her around, walking around and stuff like that in here, and I'll put her on the video some and stuff like that. But Haley is back, and so I'm going to go on now and try with my left hand to put this Badia Complete on here. I say Badia. I've heard other people say that it's Badia or something like that. And I don't know. I just like Badia. So it's B-A-D-I-A. So I just say Badia. All right, so now I'm going to put some salt on here. And then I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'll let y'all know. I'm going to try to turn them all over so that that part is on the bottom so they'll get crispy. But I will bring y'all back in a little while and we'll do something else. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so here is the asparagus, and you can see I cut off about this much off of the ends of them. And I do that to every one of them. Every one of them's got to be cut off, and some of them get cut off more if I see that they're not, you know, down enough or whatever. And pretty much you can bend your asparagus and tell where it's going to break. Where it breaks at is where you're going to cut it. I mean, you know, where you can take one and measure them or whatever. All right, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put some more avocado on these. And these usually are okay. So I'm only about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil on these. And then, will you open that for me? Mm-hmm. And I'm going to put some salt. I'm not putting any pepper on these because the Badia has got enough. All right, so I'm putting salt on here. And then I'm going to put some Badia. All right, and now I'm going to put some, I've got just the Great Value grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to put some of that on here. And these are going beside the Brussels sprouts. I hope they'll fit in my oven beside the Brussels sprouts. And I'm not really sure how long it's going to take for these. I've got the oven set on 400. So when I get these out and they're done, when I bring you back, I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, well, you know, today is Haley's first day back, and I kind of forgot about the Brussels sprouts, and they burned beyond recognition, so they're in the trash. But I did steam these, and I steamed them more than I wanted to. Boy, this has just been a bad day. I did 2 things of these. The first one, I just totally forgot and pressurized them, pressure cooked them for 10 minutes. And so there's not, it's on the bottom, there's not very much left of those because they kind of like, I can't even describe what they went to mush. Let's just put it that way. All right, and then here's the asparagus. And it tastes so good that it didn't burn. It was beside the Brussels sprouts, but I think the Brussels sprouts, I put them in there about 10 minutes before I put these in there. So, but these are really, really good, y'all. And I am not sure what else I'm going to do. I really have a couple other things that I want to fix today, but now I'm just... Okay, y'all, I just decided to go on and stop the video here, and it was just a bad day. I ruined my Brussels sprouts, and that's one of my most favorite vegetables. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram, and I will talk to you later. Bye.